This is a Dutch hoe. It's one of those things I didn't know I needed until I got one of them. I'm going to demonstrate this for you and show you all the different uses that I came up with so far for using it. It's basically an ergonomic garden tool that you can use to cultivate and cut weeds at the same time, because with this angled blade on here, it will get underneath of the reed and cut it at the roots. And you can also use it to push dirt at the same time, and I think it's pretty awesome. It has a really solid wooden handle on it made out of ash, and we have a stainless steel blade on here, which I'm gonna go ahead and say can be sharpened. I like that. It weighs 1 pound and 11 ounces. It's balanced really nice. It is 51 inches long. I'm 6'2", and it comes up to here on me. That's gonna be perfect. So let me show you how this thing works. The main use for this is to cultivate soil while you're also weeding at the same time. So you can use this in an upright position. Get up under the soil, cultivate it. You could pull weeds out like this, while at the same time, still pushing the dirt around. I was thinking, since it's a straight blade on here, in a sense, I could actually go around my patio blocks and use it sort of like an edger. Another thing I was thinking I could use it for is stuff like this, cleaning out cracks in patio blocks. Clean off moss that grows in between these pavers. Like a scraper. Oh, there it is. Dutch hoe. Pretty awesome.